Today we are looking at the Glacier 48C, designed by Guido de Groot Design, a unique-looking 48-foot yacht with a sleek exterior and a stylish but thoughtful interior. Before that, if you like my content, please subscribe and share with a friend, or consider hitting that join button. It's greatly appreciated. First, let's take a look at the outside of this vessel, then the interior. Finally, I'll give you the specs and my final thoughts. You can find chapter markers in the description below if you want to hop around. I did a double take the first time I saw this yacht. It has a very unusual shape that frankly, I wasn't a fan of at first blush, but as I continued to scrutinize looking at the body from several angles, of which there are many, this is, if nothing else, an angular vessel. It sort of grew on me and I quite like the aesthetics now. The Glacier 48C is presented in a metallic gray, giving off naval vessel vibes. The front windows of the pilot house are raked forward aggressively. I love the black aluminum fin shape on each side. I also love the glossy gray paint job. The rear deck has a C-shaped couch with a center table. Starboard, there is a cabinet and a control post for remote mooring. You can reach the bow deck from either side of the yacht, but be careful as the guardrails are rather short. There are, however, well-placed rails on the roof to grasp to assist and give a bit of extra security as you move around. You can actually see into the pilot house from here through the sunroof. I don't know about you, but I'd have to try entering from up here at least once. The front deck itself has a wide sunbathing area. Now, entering the yacht, there is a generous seating area with the love seat starboard with a hidden television behind it and an L-shaped couch with a table port. The table can also fold out to provide space for the opposite love seat. The large windows on either side give an unfettered view to the world beyond. The pilot house has a very minimalistic look, which I like. It gives it a very tasteful and elegant look. You can steer standing or drop the seat cushion down to sit. Visibility out the front windows is excellent as well. Overall, I think the Glacier 48C does a good job with the limited space available to make it workable, livable, and feel bigger than it is. Heading downstairs, you are greeted by the galley, which is L-shaped but maximizes the available space with plenty of storage above and below. There is a circular sink in the corner. The induction cooktop is hidden beneath the countertop, affording more room when not in use. There's also a small dishwasher beneath. A pull-out fridge and freezer is on the other side, making this a capable, if somewhat small, galley. Past the galley forward is the bow cabin, which is decent size with a large bed, plenty of storage around featuring chests and cabinets. There is a small guest cabin next to the galley. An adult could probably make do in a pinch, but really, it looks more sized for children. The shared head is across from the galley and is decent size with a compact toilet, well-sized shower, as well as a ladder to the deck above. Back on the rear deck on the port side is the entrance to the engine compartment. Although there isn't standing room, it is quite a large compartment for a vessel of this size, even if you have to crawl here and there. Inside, we have a Whisper Power 16 kilowatt generator. Powering the Glacier 48C are dual Volvo Penta D8 IPS 800s. As you can see, all of the wiring is tidy and clean. In the corner, you can see the hot water boiler as well as the fire extinguishing system. I'll put the rest of the relevant stats on the screen for you now. I have to say, I really enjoyed looking at this 48-footer. I liked pretty much every aspect of it, from the exterior profile to the interior layout and material selection. What did you think of the Glacier 48C? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, but if you loved it, consider subscribing for more videos just like this one injected directly into your YouTube feed, or considering hitting that join button. I'm Phil. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.